Hello, today we are going to rhyme. We are going to say the first sound in words and we are going to blend. I will say a word and two more words. Tell me which of these two words starts like rhymes with my first word. Which word rhymes with shed, ring, or spread? Shed, spread rhyme. So see if you can say the word before I do. Which word rhymes with chair, stare, or chin? Chair, stare rhyme. Which word rhymes with flake, shake, or flame? Flake, shake rhyme. Which word rhymes with green, grain, or spleen? Green, spleen rhyme. Which word rhymes with drink, pack, or pink? Drink, pink rhyme. And which word rhymes with house, mouse, or hose? House, mouse rhyme. Now I will say some sentences. All the words in the sentence start with the same sound. Can you say the first sound before I do? So what's the first sound in all of these words? Zoe's zipper zigzags. Z. Henry had holiday ham. Can cookies count? K. Special spiders spin. S. Judy juggles jugs. J. And for our last activity, I will say some sounds and we're going to blend them together to make a word. See if you can blend them together and say the word before I do. What would this word be? K-l-o-v-er. Clover. Ick. Thick. S-a-n-d-a. Sunday. W-ish. Wish. Napkin. Napkin. Sweater. Sweater. Good job today.